Open Pacers are lined up for tonight's third race, a field of 8. The Ron Gate. And they're off. Jagger Blue Chip sprints out from in between horses. Ombre Art and Sergeant Grit both left alertly, as well as they race into that opening turn. It's Jagger Blue Chip. Sutton setting sail with the favorite. And it's Jagger Blue Chip who is up to clear and take control from Ombre Art. Came away racing in second. Sergeant Grit found a seat in third in front of Presidential Sam. Lucky Flyer is next in line fifth. In front of Stone Appeal, the Comedian, and Trev Adams attack the Treaders as they race past the quarter. 26-4, a sizzling opening panel for Jagger Blue Chip. Trying to make it to 3 in a row here at the Red Mile. He's got a 2-length lead as they race towards the half. Ombre Art, the 17-1 outsider, sits in from second. Sergeant Grit is still third, 4 lengths off the lead. Presidential Sam remains in fourth as Lucky Flyer now comes underway to the outside fifth. The Comedian is going to pick up that cover sixth. Stone Appeal sits in from seventh. Trev Adams' attack is out and moving, but he's 10 lengths off the lead as they race past the half. 54-1, 27-2 for that second quarter. Jagger Blue Chip with a demanding opening half mile, and he's still got the lead with 3/8 of a mile to go. Ombre Art begins to tire back in second as Lucky Flyer continues uncovered on the outside, still with 3 lengths to make up. The Comedian tracks second over cover into fourth. Sergeant Grit has been shuffled back to fifth. Trev Adams' attack third over. They're past 3 quarters, 122-1. Jagger Blue Chip still on top as they turn for home. The Comedian, though, is now unleashed up on the outside with Trev Adams' attack. Jagger Blue Chip trying to dig in. He's laying it on the line. The Comedian is out in the center. Trev Adams' attack up on the far outside as they drive for the finish. The Comedian down the center. It's the Comedian and Corey Callahan who are going to win it. Tight for second. Looked like Trev Adams' attack over Jagger Blue Chip. 150.